Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with a summary of the poem The Road Not Taken. So The Road Not Taken, this poem is written by Robert Frost. So Robert Frost is an American poet who writes about common ordinary experiences. This well-known poem is about making choices that shape us. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. Once the poet was walking down a road and then there was a diversion. There were two paths and he had to choose one out of them. The poet says that as he was one person, he could travel on one road only. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see. So before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. Was it suitable for him or not? It happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives, but we have to choose only one out of them. We take time to think that whether it is suitable for us or not, and only then we take a decision. He just says that as far he could felt that both paths were equally good and started working on one of them. He felt that the path was better for him, so he chose it as it had grass on it, which means that it was unused. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out the same way. So even in our life, we take any path, but all of them have the same problems, challenges, and we must face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. The poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. So he decided that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day, as he knew that he could not go back. Even in our life, we choose a path and must keep on moving with the option. We never get a chance to come back and take the other option. He takes a deep breath and says, once upon a time, he had reached such a point in life that there were two paths for him. He chose the less travel. This is a very strong message to all the students that you must be wise while making choices, because your future depends on your choices. And this is all about the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Okay, so the question answers of this poem we will discuss in the next class.